Welcome friends. Today we are going to learn about how to make an images with respect to concave and convex lenses. First we are going to image formed by convex lens, right? So first we are going to start with image formed by the convex lens. In this particular case we are going to keep 3 centimeters mark and draw an image. 3 centimeters marks we are going to take here. So we will take a we are going to take a 12 centimeter mark here. So we will start from point as 0. So take first of all draw a line and then after that put marks on it. So we will draw a line first of all, a straight line which is going to be our principal axis. Then have the markings regarding 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters from here, that is the 0 point we are going to take here. So 0 point here, this is an 3 centimeter, here this is 6 centimeter, here this is 9 centimeter, and here it is 12 centimeter. So we will keep the same procedure for each and every drawings, either for convex lens or concave lens. This is going to be repeatedly same, right? So this is our mark at the center is going to be our a straight line, which is should be our lens. So this straight line, that is 3 lines above and 3 line below, as usual that we are doing perpendicular line, we are exact perpendicular line we are going to draw. So this line should be 3 lines above and 3 lines below we are going to draw. This particular point is here f1 and this is 2f1, 2 times of it, that is center of curvature. Here this is going to be f2, this is going to be 2 times f2 here, right? So this is our we are going to first of all draw an object placed beyond C. So we will keep an object which should be beyond C. Beyond C is a line we are going to draw perpendicular line here, and draw an object here AB. From AB we are going to start a draw. So this ray is passing a straight line, passing in a straight line. After striking the mirror, it bends towards the focal point on the other side. A ray is passing. This is an diverging. So this is going to pass from the focus. So this is a point, you make it darker. From here this point it is going to get bent. So this is how it is going to bend from a point from which it is going to get bent, and another is going to pass through a pole. This is going to pass through a pole. From this particular point, so this is going to pass through the pole. So this is the first ray which is passing from here, and getting bent towards the focal point. So this is getting bent towards the focal point and getting it here. So this is a ray which is going on this direction. Another ray which is going on this direction is passing from the pole. As usual we are going from the pole, and it is passing from the pole and getting to this direction. Here this is an intersecting point where it is we are going to get an image here. So draw a line which is this way. So this is A dash B dash that we have obtained. A dash and B dash. This is what we have obtained on the other side. So one more thing which is left out is draw the lengths. So put a rounder on the focal point, make this rounder touch here, so that we get an so half round we have got it on this side. See how we have drawn from the center of curvature, from the center of curvature. So from the 2f, put a rounder here and draw, right? In the same way, you put a rounder on 2f on this side and draw from here to that particular side. So we'll put a rounder on 2f here, this side also, put it here in the same position and draw. Right. So you will get your lens here, exact lens you are going to get it here from this side. Right. So you will get a good lens and you will have a perfect image, and no particular any kind of wrongness will be found here, because you are going to draw the rays passing, a straight ray passing from here and passing from the focus. Later on you can draw then lens which is going to be very perfect, 3 lines above and 3 lines below, and from this particular just join it here and make a round here. From 2f, put a point here and make a round here, so you'll get a good lens also, and this gives you a very good image, right? And you can write down about it also. Position of an object, position of object is beyond C, position of image is between, that is you are going to write it here as 2f, beyond 2f, and this is between f2 and 2f2, right? You are getting between f2 and 2f2. Then nature of image, here nature of image is real and inverted, and size of image is diminished. You are seeing this is of 2 centimeter, and here you are not getting slightly above 1 centimeter you are getting it. That means it is a smaller in size compared to its object size. Fine. So you'll have a very good image and you can draw it very nicely. Take 3 centimeter from here, 3 centimeter from here. In the same way, 3 centimeter, draw perpendicular line, 3 above, 3 below, and this time first case we have taken it beyond 2f. Here you can take on 2f also, so you will get an image on 2f on this side, and you will get an exact image. Don't misplace any points, don't draw a line outside the points also, that is you are not going to get a good image otherwise, right? Your images will be misplaced, so you see to it that the rays passes exactly from the points, and make sure that you make a point slightly darker if you are not able to understand, but not make it very big so that it makes out of the focus where you are going to pass for a line from. So make it slightly dark so that you may understand how you are going to draw it, and don't jumble up the lines also. The next we are going to draw image formed by concave lens. Image formed by concave lens. Here also we are going to draw in the same fashion. We are going to take it here, draw a line the same way, that is 3 cm. This pattern we are going to make it sure that we are going to make this pattern as fixed. In exam also you are not going to find any other kind of formations. You are going to form an exact thing because you have already practiced on the same way. So that is a good sign if you practice on the same position again and again. 0, 3, 6, 9 and 12. Fine. So you are going to have again in the same way here also, make a perpendicular line, make this line C again to the line here, and make 3 lines above and 3 lines below. So here is your, see, this is out of focus and it is slightly out. It should not be like this. You should be exactly on the line. Otherwise you are not going to have everything, you are going to have it very out. Fine. Now we are going to take this, this is f1 here and this is 2f1 here, this is f2 on this side and this is 2f2 on this side. This is how you are supposed to draw. Now first of all we need to keep an object, so we will keep an object between f and 2f anywhere here nearby. Draw this object here. This is an object between f and 2f. This time we are drawing an concave one. Fine. Draw a line, so it should diverge. It should diverge in another fashion. So this is a line here and it should get passed through focus from this particular point also, because this is getting diverge here. So this diversion should be from this particular point, that is in center. Later on we are going to draw an diagram of a lens later on. First of all we will complete the ray diagram from this particular position. So basically we need to draw this in the dash form, because this passes in the dash forms only on the back side. This is virtual, that's why. And this is a real ray which is getting diverged. So this is an actual ray which is getting on this direction from AB. So this is the ray from AB and this is getting diverged in this direction, right? So this is getting diverged on this particular direction. The first line should pass in this fashion. Second line should pass from the center point, that is O is taken suppose as a center point, so need to pass from the center point here, from A to O. Draw a line which is passing on this particular fashion, right? So this is passing on this fashion. So draw a ray diagram. Okay, so this particular here, the intersecting point that you are able to see, that is an image which is formed here. So this is A dash and this is B dash. This is your AB as an object where you are getting an image on this side. Now to draw lens, you do one thing, you don't keep your here as 2f slightly, but don't make it on this particular fashion, make it slightly shorter this way. Make it slightly shorter from 2f, you are drawing again from 2f only. So here, because center of curvature is your 2f, so you are drawing from 2f, you draw this way slightly on this side and curvature on this side. So you have a lens this way. In the same fashion from this particular 2f on this side also, you draw it from this side here and make it on this side. This is how it goes, and join it up. So you join it up, this is your lens is ready. So the below portion and above portion, right? So your lens is ready here, and you may draw this extra portion, you rub it out if you find it, and make sure that your lens looks good. So this is how you can get a better image out of it. Now you write down position of an object, position of object. So position of an object place is between f1 and to f1, and position of image is between O, you can say as pole in bracket, and f1, pole and f1. Nature of image is virtual, because we are getting on the same side of an length, virtual and erect. And size of image is diminished, right? You can practice the same way. There are two only for the concave, but in case of convex lens there are 5 to 6 images that we can form. All you practice in the same manner: 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 3 centimeter. Make it 12 and draw in the same fashion. This diagrams looks very neat and clean also. I have drawn in front of you only, and it looks extremely nice also, and you get an correct image also. That is most important thing, that you don't get a rough diagram, you get a very fair one diagram that can be shown to anyone. In examination also it will be for great helpful. Fine. So thank you for this particular lecture.